Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I make fun projects in C++. Today I'd like to show you how to set up my very own multimedia graphics library, Winsimple. So let's go to the GitHub repo and download the proper version. I'm going to go with version 1.5 since it is the current stable version that is shown in the releases. After that is completed downloading, we'll want to extract that and copy winsimple.h into our new project folder. I will also create my main.cpp file and open it up. As with all external libraries in C++, we'll have to type in include winsimple.h. In the current beta version, that will be version 1.6, Winsimple will be called winsimple.hpp. For now, we are fine to use .h. Next, create our entry point as normal. Now we're going to make a simple test project by simply declaring of type WSWindow as window with the parameters of width, height, and title. Now we need to process our window continually, otherwise it will close immediately. And before you ask, yes, Winsimple's API does take some inspiration from SFML. However, the difference between Winsimple and SFML as far as usefulness is that Winsimple is much more lightweight while also providing some WinAPI features. And that is all we need as far as the bare minimum code to display a window. But of course, we want to be able to draw to the window eventually. So let's implement that. For every loop, the window should be cleared, and the window should be displayed. Drawing will happen right here between clearing and displaying. Now for the less simple but not overwhelming part, linking. In Winsimple version 1.6, which is the current beta version, the linking is much simpler because only a few of these are necessary for the main Winsimple header. Some of these are for sound or GUI elements, but are not required in the latest version of Winsimple. For now though, we will have to link all of these for this version. If you're using MinGW32, you'll use a .l prefix before every included item. But for something like Visual Studio, you will use gdi32.lib. as opposed to -l gdi32. Those are just examples. You must do the same principle to the rest. The list of everything you need to link is included with Winsimple. Note that -static and -m windows are not required. -static makes the program static without needing DLLs. And -m windows makes the console window invisible. So let's run that and we will see the compiled result in a moment. And there we have it, a very easy to make window. And Winsimple is fully set up for whatever we want to use it for. Be sure to join me in my next video where I'll explain how to use the graphical structures of Winsimple. If you like this video, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release new videos about the fun projects I get to work on. Goodbye for now.